Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video I will show you how to host your HTML website on a web server by uploading web pages to it. I have a web pages built in my local PC and I will upload it to the web server so that it can be open worldwide. Before hosting a website, you should have a proper domain purchased from domain registrar, and also you should have a proper web hosting where you can upload your website files. Don't get confused by only purchasing the domain name, because you will also need the hosting plan as well to host the website. If you see this folder by the name of techijack.net, I have a small HTML website in it where I have 4 pages like About Us, Terms, Privacy Policy and Index.html. Here the catch is that when we upload all these pages to the web server, mainly it looks for the index.html page, and in that page we have a linking to the other pages such as you can see About Us, Privacy Policy, Terms. And in separate, if you see, this is a term page. We have designed our page like this, and here you can see terms.html. Same way we have About Us. This is the about.html page. Mainly the web server look for this. By default it will open a home page, and here you can just click on this About Us, Privacy Policy and Terms. These are the links to the other pages. Therefore, if you do not upload the index.html page and upload all other pages, it will display the forbidden page. It will not show you the website. So it makes us clear that index.html page is very important. So I have purchased a hosting from this website, cwphosting.net. I have a hosting plan from this website, and once you sign up or you pay for this plan, they will provide you the link to log in with your credentials. And this hosting is powered by CWP Control Web Panel. Once you are logged in, you will see this screen. Like, this is the dashboard for this, and you get all these features like mod security, antivirus scan, backup, FTP, statistics, and many others are there. Once you have a domain name and hosting, from the hosting side, the hosting provider will provide you the name server. In our case, this is ns2 and ns1.techijack.net. So what we have to do, we have to pick these name servers and we have to go to our domain. Here we have a domain like techijack.net, and here you can see the name servers. I will click on name server, and if we edit it here, we have to put these name servers here and click on update. I have already done that, so I'm canceling this, and this update can take like 1 or 2 hours. The maximum time is 24 hours, but usually it get updated within 30 to 40 minutes if it's a new domain. So I have added the name server. Adding the name server means like whenever you put the website name on the web browser, it will see the DNS according to the name server. So our DNS will be hosted here now, because the name server we have pointed to our web server. So we have the DNS zone here, and all these DNS will be followed. Like if we see the DNS zone here, so the root domain is pointing to this IP. So that means everyone will open the website, it will go to this IP, and this IP is on our web hosting server. And if we have our website there like index.html page, it will open the website. If you want to confirm that name servers are updated correctly or not, you can check with the DNS propagation as well. And here we will put the name of our website and we'll check with the host A record, and you can see it is pointing to the correct site. And same way, if you want to confirm that, we can even try to open the website, and right now you can see here it's opening index.html page, that is the default page. So if we go to the hosting again, and if we see the file manager here, and in the file manager we have these default folders and files. Mainly the focus is public HTML. So I will open this, and here you can see we have this index.html page, and that's this page which is opening. For example, if I rename it and I change the index to like old, and I will save it, so now we have changed the index.html page. As I said that it looks for the index.html, and now it is changed. So what will be the status? If I refresh it here, now you can see you don't have a permission to access these resources. That means we have a forbidden error. Now it cannot find the index.html. Let me delete this one. So now our goal is to upload our website file here. So I will go to the upload, and will select the downloads, and inside this I have these all 4 pages and I will upload them. So now all the 4 pages has been uploaded. Let me close this, and now we have these pages. So again I have the new index.html. If I will rename it, again we will get the forbidden error, but now it will not look for this because this is renamed, and this is now the index.html for our new website. So again, if I go and try to refresh it here, now you can see we have a index page here, and we can navigate to the about us, privacy policy, terms. So this is how we can host our website. So this is the way like you can do it with the web panel. Same thing you can do with the FTP as well. If you have a FTP credential, you can type your host name, username, password and get connected. And from here you can just try to upload it. For example, this is my site. Though it's a techijack.com, not the techijack.net. Same way here we have the public.html. You can just open it, and from here if I have the pages here in the download inside the compress. So these are the pages. I can just right click and upload it. It will get uploaded here inside the public.html, and then you can browse the page from the browser. So this way you can upload and download the pages from the web server. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.